Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing fine and great because I am. So as you can see here, I got these two questions from grade 9 math past papers. And as you can see, coming from the first question, its mark allocation is 3 marks. And coming to the second question, its mark allocation is 4 marks, which is something you wouldn't want to lose, right? So let's get to it. As you can see, I started the first one for you, but I didn't finish it. So let me show you. So it says here simplify. When they say simplify, and especially coming to a fraction, it means rewriting the numerator in its smallest possible form and rewriting the denominator in its smallest possible form while still representing the same value. I'm going to explain again. When they say simplify, it means rewriting the numerator in its smallest possible form and rewriting the denominator in its smallest possible form while still representing the same value. So as you can see here, 2 to the power of 2 is already broken up for you. 2 to the power of 3 is already broken up for you, as you can see here from this fraction, which is basically the question from the exam paper. And I broke up 8 to 2 to the power of 3. How did I do that? Very simple, guys. You press the number 8, equal sign, okay? Shift, fact, B, 2 to the power of 3. And 4, as you can see, it's already broken up in its simplest form, which is 2 to the power of 2. How did I do that? Same thing as what I did to the number 8. You press 4, equal sign, shift, fact, B, and your answer is 2 to the power of 2. Right there. Now, you know that exponent rule where you have your base and your exponent. Your base remains the same and you add up your exponents. You can sign this, so you keep your base and you add up your exponents. It's going to be 2 plus 3 plus 3. Okay? You keep your base, you add the exponents. So keep it 2 plus 3 plus 3. Over, make it a bit longer. Here we go. Forgive me if it's so skew. Now, you know this, right? It's basically similar to this. What's going to happen? You're going to multiply. That's what's going to be A, which is your base, and you multiply these exponents. So it's going to be A to the power of B, C. And over here, in this case, it's going to be 2 to the power of 10. That over there is going to be 2 to the power of 8 over 2 to the power of 10. Now, 8 minus 10 is what? 2 to the power of negative 2. And 2 to the power of negative 2 can be written in the form, 2 to the power of negative 2 can be written in the form of a quarter. That is it, guys. You can even write it on your calculator. It will give you the same thing. So 2 to the power of what? Negative 2. A quarter. And where do you get your 3 marks? Which this can look like 5 marks, some people would say. But it's actually 3, unfortunately. So you get your marks just by doing this. Breaking it up. And of course, your answer. By doing this, equating these two, because this is the same as this, but you need to write your answer in this form because that is what they want. And it's also basically according to the memo. Let's move on to the second one. Okay, now this one is with 4 marks. What you do here, I'm sure you guys are thinking, yes, the LCD, perfect. That is what you're going to need. Your LCD is 4. And you know that this must always be divisible by 1. That basically means multiply by 4, multiply by 4. This one is okay. Multiply by 2, multiply by 2. What you do to the bottom, that you do to the top. Okay? Now, you're going to rewrite it properly. So it's going to be like this. Over 4 minus, please guys put it in brackets, 4 over 4. Now you know your common denominator is 4, so we can basically leave that out. So it's going to basically look like this. Okay. Now you know there's an invisible 1 over here. Now you can do your FOIL. That's going to be 4x minus 6. Negative 1 multiplied by 3x is negative 3x. Negative 1 multiplied by 1, negative 1 is equal to 4. Now 4x minus 3x is what? X. And negative 6 minus 1 is what? Negative 7 is equal to 4. 4 plus 7, why? Because negative 7, if you move to the other side, it's positive, so that's going to give me 11. Therefore, x is equal to 11. And your 4 marks come by just doing this, 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 and this. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also comment. And hit that like button. And also hit that notification bell for any new video of mine that pops up. Thank you.